All right, let's check out some royalty-free music here. Let's listen to them. Really nice sounding. Really, really great. So the reason why I built these 17 by 17 by 7 inch high speaker stand dollies is to get these JBL 12 inch 2A monitors up a little bit higher. And also they have lockable casters where my old stands didn't have lockable casters and they were too small. So now they're up higher and the soundstage is so much better. And you'd think, oh, it's only, just under 3 inches higher. It makes a huge difference in the sound, especially in the high end. It just flows out better. All right, there you have it. Nothing really to speak about. I used bedliner. Got some corner protectors on these guys. These are 3-inch lockable casters. And I used T25 deck screws, plus I glued all the 2x4s together with, the good Elmer's and Gorilla watertight glue, wood glue. And they're stupid freaking solid. And with these corners here, I just used short little drywall screws and popped them in there, and works great, lasts a long time. That's what they say, right? And these stands, they're not bad. Very lightweight, 2-inch wheels on them. I mean, good for very light duty use. Handy, because you got little handles right here. But I mean, they're not really ready for prime time. Especially with high quality and heavy speakers. Rattle free now. I mean, these things would rattle too. So there you have it. Just getting things spruced up and looking good and sounding good. And I think I nailed it. All right, later.